if the n term of a quadratic pattern is given by the following, calculate the value of the smallest term. Smallest term, minimum. What do we know about the derivative at the smallest, or at the maximum, or at the minimum? What do we know about our gradient? It's equal to 0. Should in other words, is what to give, okay, we know what is Tn. Tn can be given as 2n squared minus 28n plus 87. Now, for me to get the smallest, I need to maximize, I need to differentiate, I need to minimize. So I'm going to minimize the result to give Tn prime. Say differentiate. We must differentiate as result of 2 multiplied by 2. What is 2 multiplied by 2? Then result Tn prime is going to be given by 4n minus 28. Now, what do we know about the gradient at the maximum or at the minimum? The gradient is what? It's 0. So, okay, with T prime n which goes over 0. And then so 0 is going to be equal to, what did we get? We got, it's 4n minus 28. Just start to 28, you're simulating up. And then if we transpose the 28, it says that we're going to have 28, which is going to be equal to what? 4n. Divide by 4, divide by 4, and then it says n is going to be equal to 7. Now guys, n is equal to 7. This is not the smallest value that we can get. This is the position of the smallest term that we can get. You get what I'm saying here? This is the position of the smallest term that we can get. Now let's get the smallest term. The smallest term is going to be equal to T7. Everywhere we see n, we're going to put what? 7. Let's put 7 everywhere. So we'll have 2, 7 all squared plus, what does the formula say? It says 2, 7n, and then minus 27n, 28, and then n we know is 7, and then we put 7 here, and then it says plus 87, and then we type this in our calculator. It says T7 is going to be equal to minus 11. By the way, this is one way of